Welcome to the Education New Zealand Skills Lab. Here you'll find plenty of tools that will help grow your international student recruitment business. It's designed for all types of devices, so no matter whether you're in the office or on the move, these tools will never be far away. To get started, just click the Sign Up button at the top right of the homepage and create your account. It won't take long. Just make sure you sign up using an email address from an approved New Zealand institution. Now you're ready to go. To explore our range of topics, just click on the Learn tab. Here you'll find bite-sized projects that will give some useful insights and tips to help with your business's development. These resources are designed to work around you, so just pick and choose the projects relevant to your organisation. Most will take less than 20 minutes to complete, but if you need to, you can always come back to finish them later. Throughout the projects, you can ask questions or leave answers and tips to share your own expertise with others. And once you're done, you can let us know whether the project was helpful to you, so we can keep improving them. If you have a particular goal in mind, the Starter Track section can help you achieve it with a playlist of relevant projects to work through. Finally, in the Case Studies section, you'll find success stories of other organisations that have grown their international offering. As you can see, there are plenty to explore. And that's it. Enjoy exploring Skills Lab to help grow your business.